my channel, guys. My name is Lex, and for my first video I thought I would introduce you guys to myself, my bike, and to one of my favorite trails in Santiago Oaks, Chutes Ridgeline. So I've been riding for 1 year now. I got back into it after not riding bikes for about 15 years. As a kid I grew up riding BMX bikes and mountain biking a little bit. I took a spill and that ruined my confidence, and I put down mountain bikes for about 15 years. For the bike, this is a Commencal Meta TR29 2021. Starting with the cockpit, we have one-up components, bars, we have DMR death grip, grips, Shimano XT shifters and brakes. We have one-up component 35mm stem with the EDC tool, all mountain style mud guard. We have Fox Factory 36 forks with grip 2 damper. In the back we have Fox Flow X2. The bike is 160mm travel fork and 140mm travel shock. One-up components pedals, Shimano XT cranks, one-up components bash guide, WTB Silverado saddle, KS Lev Integra dropper, DT Swiss XM 1700 wheels with DT 350 hubs, PD's valve stems in the wheels. I have a 2.4 Dissector EXO Plus casing in the back. I have a 2.5 Assegai EXO Plus casing in the front. So now that you know my bike, let's go check out my favorite trail. Alright guys, that's it for my first video. Thank you guys for watching. There's more to come. If you liked it, hit subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next time.